Okay, welcome back everyone. So the simple grammar. Okay, he was delighted. Okay, so first of all, what I want to tell you about the meaning of delighted means. Listen here, delighted is about for a joyful, or it may be a shockful, because it's like happening between two friends or maybe any persons. Okay, delightful. Surprise, no, it's right. Sudden surprise. Surprise is also comes under a shock. Okay, that means what? Sudden happiness. Okay, surprise meaning is about mainly sudden happiness. That is because do you know birthday party? Suddenly, if your father and mother gives you a cake in front of you by just closing your eyes, that is called what? Sudden happiness. Okay. And I want to tell about a fluke. Fluke means what? It may be in the form of a luck. Okay. Sometimes a match could not be win. Suddenly the match could be win. That's like okay. So they're asking the what and all word will come in the dash. Listen me, they are having four options. So first one, no preposition should be in the first dash and then at should be in the second dash. So first of all, I'll tell you the preposition meaning is a grammar. Preposition, please write in the form of pre as well as position. Okay. Position everyone knows. Position means what? Where we are standing. It's like a place. Okay. So always something, if you are going somewhere, so we have to get placed. Okay, where you are. I'm standing here. I'm standing in the inside a building. Likewise, you are telling us right. So listen here. He was delighted. Dash as well. Okay, as well means what? Extra thing also. As well means what? Extra something's also getting. So he was delighted. So what something means what? Because one more person is there, friend is there, so friend is doing two things. Okay, because already one dash is there and it is not completing, if it's showing as well as means what, there is coming in the second surprise or second join is anything. So automatically he's, for example, he's having left hand gold, right hand a diamond, so we can say like that my friend is having a diamond with its highlighted color, also he is having gold, likewise you can say. So automatically no preposition not possible because he is having some position. What's the position? Left hand is in position. Example, as of my example, left hand he is having high diamond, as well as right hand he is having gold. So position, the diamond is positioning with, okay, with this left hand. Okay, automatically you will get with. Okay, so there should not be no preposition, just definitely there will be position. And then afterwards here, surprised, something preposition, no, surprised as well as means what, extra thing also having surprised at, because at also represent I'm standing. Okay, I am at, do you understand? Is it right? At this place. So for the place, if you mention means you definitely represent at. Okay, so automatically at will also coming. So there will be with no preposition not possible. With the on also not, because on means what? Somebody is standing on somebody's feet. That is called what? On. One over another. Here not possible because because his friend is not standing on the friend's head. Is not possible. So automatically, so with at is the only thing is the answer. Okay. If anything doubt means you just comment here. Okay, thank you all, thank you very much.